I am stoked because today I have something that I know is going to absolutely blow your guys' mind and get you really, really excited, okay? In the licensing business, we are the unsung heroes of the music industry, all right? We don't get red carpets. We don't get trophies. There are no award shows for us. We don't get the interviews, right? We are sort of behind the scenes, doing the grunt work, doing a lot of the work of the entertainment business, but in the words of Rodney Dangerfield, we don't get no respect. Terrible impersonation, sorry. But I want to change that, okay? I want to start actually recognizing you. Those of you that have been committed to the TV film licensing industry, those of you that are in your studio on a daily basis, working out your tracks, improving your production skills, improving your mixing skills, improving your mastering skills, improving your knowledge about this industry to become competitive in it, okay? So I want to recognize you, and this is how I'm going to do that. I am announcing today my Sync Academy Awards contest. Now, what is Sync Academy and why isn't it an award contest? What's going on here? Okay, really, really awesome and exciting. I'm going to be basically selecting 3 winners and giving you guys cash prizes. Yes, actual cash, actually a prize for you, okay? And I'm going to explain how you enroll and how you get started with it, okay? But the reason why I'm doing this is because I want there to be a sort of online platform, an online place for those of you that are really working hard to get a little appreciation for the work that you're putting into your craft, okay? A little pat on the back in my small way of just showing you I appreciate what you're doing, I believe in what you're doing, and I do believe that you can achieve your goal of making this your full-time job if you just stick with it and you keep working hard, okay? So here's how this contest is gonna work. I'm gonna select 3 winners, okay? There's a third prize, second prize, and first prize. And third prize, you're gonna get $100 straight up, okay? Second prize, you're gonna get $250 plus 1 month free access to my upcoming platform, which is called Sync Academy. Get why it's called that, right? So Sync Academy, what is that? Well, that's gonna be an online platform that's going to house over 100 tutorials on how to make licensable music, okay? There's plenty of master courses, there's plenty of tutorials online about how to make a cool beat, how to mix, how to master. But there's really no place online to find how to make licensable music that's specifically for the TV film licensing industry. That's what Sync Academy is going to do, okay? It's all built from the ground up, complete A to Z tutorials on every major genre that gets placed, how to start a track, how to craft it, how to create the structure, how to mix it, how to master it, how to deliver the finals, the stems, the alt mixes, the cut downs, literally everything, okay, including a lot more content. Okay, so that's the second place prize. Now for the first place prize, you will win, drum roll please, $500 plus a full year of access to the Sync Academy platform when I launch it. Pretty cool, right? Cash in your pocket, a lot of value coming your way, and it's just my way of saying I appreciate you. I really do know the hard work and the hustle that you're putting into your career. And on my channel here on YouTube, I want to be somebody that can applaud you and give you a little pat on the back and say, keep going, okay? I believe in you. Now, I know what you're all thinking right now is, Jesse, how do I submit? I got a track, I want to submit. Okay, please pay attention very closely because if you don't follow my directions, you will not be considered. Your track will be thrown out immediately, and that's it. You get one shot at this, okay? I do accept only one track. First of all, you must be subscribed to this channel. Make sure you click that subscribe button, click on that bell button to get the notifications when I release a video. Also like the video, please, that'd be great. Share this with some other of your musician or producer friends if you want to share the love to them as well and say, hey, would you like to submit to this contest? You could win some money too. But there's a link in the description box below, okay? And the URL is syncacademy.me. You need to click on that link, you need to visit that URL, and you need to enter your email address on that website. Why? The contest rules are specified on that website, so you can see what the contest rules are, and there definitely are some rules you need to follow, okay? So make sure you read those and agree to those first. And you enter your email, and I will automatically, instantly send you the directions for how you can submit your one track, okay? So if you just email me your track right now, you post a link to your track on this video, delete, not gonna read it at all, okay? So you need to visit that URL and you need to put your email, a real email address in because I'm going to send you the directions for how to do it. It's super simple, not complicated at all, but you need to follow those directions to make sure that I can keep nice and organized in my email inbox, okay? And another question you're probably all wondering, how do you determine who's going to win this thing, right? Is it based on the best mix, the coolest song, the most interesting production? What are my variables for judging? Well, I'm gonna make it very simple, okay? The most licensable track will be the winner, okay? Or the 3 winners for this case, right? What does licensable mean? Well, if you've been a follower of mine for a while, you've watched a lot of my videos, I've talked in extensive length about the various aspects of how to create licensable music. Making sure you have an attention-grabbing intro, that you have interest building along the way, that you have dynamics, that you don't get too loopy and too stuck in your production. You don't do a copy and paste job through it. Your mix is sitting well. Your mastering feels good. Your drums are punching through. Samples are sounding good. It sounds modern. It sounds current. There's so many things that I look for when I'm looking for a licensable track, okay? And that's exactly what Sync Academy is also going to allow and show you exactly how to do, okay? With all the tutorials, 100+ hours of producing, mixing, and mastering tutorials, you're gonna get all of that knowledge and insight from not only me, but from other workers, other producers that work inside of the licensing business that are actively submitting to libraries, getting placements, and building their careers up as well. So you get like the perspective of like, everybody in this industry, okay, and all the professionals that are working in this industry, okay? And again, it's not just tutorials on how to make a song, how to make a drum track, how to mix generally or master. Every single tutorial in Sync Academy is geared specifically, and it's designed specifically to help you succeed in the TV, film, music licensing business. So it's a very powerful platform that I will be launching here, and I'll let you guys know about it when it gets closer. But for now, let's have fun with this award show, okay, with this contest. So please click on that link below, enter your 1 track, make sure you're following all the directions. And what I will do on January 2nd, which is a Wednesday, on this very channel, that's why you have to subscribe and you have to get the notification that I'm gonna put this video out. I will review the 3 winners, okay? So not only will you win cash and potentially some free access to this awesome platform I'm building, but you'll also get a free review. So I'm going to actually review your song on my channel and on my video, and I will basically point out what I like about your song, what makes it very licensable, and I'll even maybe give you some suggestions for how to improve it and make it even more competitive in the licensing industry, okay? So you get a lot of stuff if you win this contest. So don't wait, put your submission in, make sure you follow the directions, share this video, please. If you know somebody that might be interested in submitting and maybe putting some money in their pocket, who doesn't want that, right? So I really do appreciate you guys sharing this video, and good luck, okay? You get 1 shot. Don't submit too soon, okay? Spend some time. You know, you got a couple of weeks here until January 2nd. I will accept submissions literally up until January 1st. So you've got some time, okay? So don't just rush and give me the first thing you can think of. Maybe spend a week or 2, revise the best track that you feel is the strongest in your catalog and on your hard drive, and submit that one on. So best of luck to all you guys, and I hope this is just a way for me to say thank you to those of you that have been following for a while, following me for a while, that have been subscribed, but most importantly, that you've been dedicating yourself to your career, that you've been putting in that hard work. Most producers say they want to do this full time. Very few of them actually put in the work and do what it takes to actually get there. And I know you guys are absolutely doing your best and putting in that hustle to do that. So I know you're right along there with me for this ride. So I really want to say thank you while I put on this contest. So submit, get started, and best of luck.